Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about lambda expressions in C++. Lambda expressions are anonymous, unnamed function objects. The lambda expression signature is like this. We have this one capture, then we have parameters, and then we have lambda body. So to define and invoke a simple lambda, uh, we can use, we have our auto lambda and, the lambda body. So this will be CR hello lambda, and then we are going to call lambda. So here we assign the result of lambda expression to our variable lambda. Then we invoke this lambda by using the function call operator. Since lambdas are unnamed functions, here we gave it the name of lambda to be able to invoke the code from the lambda expression. So we can just run our code. We need a semicolon after this too. And we get that message printed. To be able to use the variables in the scope in which the lambda was defined, we need to capture them first. The capture section marked by square brackets can capture local variables by copy. So let's see if we have a variable I, and we are going to set its value, and I set to 30. And here we are going to print the value of I. And here is the value of I. To capture more than one variable, we can use the comma operator in the capture list. So if we have I and then we have it at 50, so we're going to pass in I and X, and here we're gonna do sum of this. Sum is I plus X, and we get the result of sum of I plus X. Lambdas can have optional parameters inside the parentheses. So let's clear this first. Yeah. And we are going to have two variables. This will be auto for lambda, A and B, and then we are gonna do C of the value of X A. We have a here, so it's gonna be A, and then and B. So this would be B, and this requires a semicolon, and then we are going to call this lambda and run our code by passing in some values. So we are going to be some random values. And we'll just add a end of line. So this would be, and here's the output, the value of A and B. Lambdas are most often used as a predicates inside the standard library algorithm functions. For example, if we want to count the number of even elements in the container, we would supply a lambda to a standard library's count a function. So we are going to have a vector type int, and we some values. Now we are going to have a lambda function that checks if an argument is an even a number and returns true if it is. So we're going to pass in, this will be auto count, and from count if function we are going to pass in begin and our vector, and, and our vector in our lambda function, and here we're checking for even, return I mod by 2 equals to 0. And we are going to print the number of even elements. So this would be, yeah, even count. This will be count and end of line. We should add end of line after here too. So we have a lambda function that checks if an argument uh, is an even number and returns true. If it is, this lambda is then used as a predicate inside the count if function. This function only counts the numbers for which the predicate our lambda expression returns true. The countif function iterates through all the vector elements and each element becomes a lambda argument. So let's run our code. This one we need to remove. Here's the error, so we need to remove that one. And here is the count, the number of even vector elements. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.